Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to recover data from a corrupt file. So a file which cannot open or which has a bad extension. So to demonstrate that, I have a few files here which are corrupted. So let us try and open one and we see that. So let us right click on that and then click open. As you can see, the file is corrupt. That is the file format and extension of timesheet don't match. This file could be corrupted or unsafe. So unless you trust its source, don't open it. So do you want to open it anyway? So let us click no, and then we try and recover data from this file by repairing. So we shall do this using the Stellar data recovery for Excel. So let us completely close this workbook, and then so to do that, you first download the Stellar data recovery. So that is, you go to that is, you open Chrome or the Edge browser. So after opening the browser, you can paste this the web address, that is stellar-info.com/repair-excel-file.php. Then you can scroll down here and click on free download. So once it is downloaded, it will be shown here. Then you can click this arrow to open and install. So for my case, I've already installed the Stellar data recovery. So let us proceed on to the Stellar data recovery, and we see how the file can be repaired. So you select here to locate the corrupt file. So we shall browse and locate the file that we had opened earlier, the one that is corrupt. So click on browse. So this was the file that is corrupt in the desktop. So then click open. Then click repair. So this is the now repaired file. So you can view it here, or you can click save, and the file will be saved to a location that you select. So right now I want to save it in the desktop. So I will click browse and then select desktop, then click OK, then click OK again. So and the file will be saved in the desktop. So the file is ready as shown here. So then we can view it. So we have a dialog box here which reads repaired file saved successfully. So we selected one and repaired only one file. So then click OK. So here is the repaired file, or that is a file recovered, the file that was corrupt. So that is the repaired file. So thank you for watching my video. for more information on data recovery, so check on the Stellar information.com in order to download the data recovery file. So see you in my next video. Thank you.